Hello everyone, welcome to Gun Bamboo Plants. This is an update of the mulch that I put into the Phalastasis vivax cutter bamboo grove. Now, bamboos to surprise me. We have gone past summer, it's autumn now, and look, there are new shoots coming up. Right there, two, and there are plenty more. I'll just take you through the grove in a minute. Now, the one here is from spring. It's going all the way up. It's about 3 meters now. We have gone past summer, but the bamboo shoots are still coming out. This is another one, a new one. The one right here is from spring. It's branching out now and will have lots of leaves. It rained heavily in the last 3 days, and my goodness, the number of shoots coming up is amazing. I've shown the shoot in one of the videos earlier in spring. Now this shoot is 5 meters now. It hasn't branched out yet. It's still going. Right there. Okay, I've moved to the other side of the barrier. If I zoom a little bit closer, there. That's a brand new shoot, which I haven't seen last week. It's grown pretty quickly. Now, within the rhizome line, I placed a thick layer of mulch. And my goodness, if you follow that first thick bamboo shoot all the way, there are about 4 coming up right there. That's pretty impressive. And hopefully by next year, I expect these gaps there to be filled. Building on the other side will be well screened. So this is a very thick screen that has been around for a long time, but we lost some of the bamboos right here. You can see an old one right there. That one of the first bamboo plants that we cut off. This is probably the 3rd generation of bamboos, and the new shoots right here. These are the 4th generations coming up. So they have been around for about 10 years. They are still going. I'm glad that I apply mulch onto these bamboos. They are looking pretty healthy. This grove will thicken in time and it will look really nice. Bamboo Phalastasis vivax cutter is a fantastic bamboo for tall hedges and screens. You can grow them from the rhizome cuttings like I did here. I will use them to fill the gaps in the screen and along the boundary hedges. All in all, this is what happens when you add mulch to your bamboo. Mulch can do amazing things to plants as well as bamboos.